Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to resize images for WooCommerce. Let's get started. You can see in here my shop. So if you want to resize your image, it will actually help you load your website faster. So in order to do that, click on this customize option that you can see right here. Once you have clicked on that, it will show you the customizer of WooCommerce right there. So you can see it in here. So what we can do in this case is we can scroll down until we can see this option for WooCommerce. Now in here you can see this product images. And now you can see in here this thumbnail cropping. So what you can do in this case is you can just choose which thumbnail cropping you want for this. As of right now, it's square. You can also choose in here custom size. Like for example, in this aspect ratio, you can make this around 4:3 or also 2 or 3:2 as well. So you can see in here what it will look like once it's done loading as well. So in here, you can change your product images and then from in there, click on this save changes. Now in here, you have actually resized your images for WooCommerce on the shop page. Now let's also do it on our dashboard. You can click on this dashboard right here and then look for the option that says media. So click on this library right here under media. And then from in there, you should be able to see your media library. So just select the media that you want to resize. For me, I'll resize this one. And then you can see in this alt text, title, and all of that. As you can see, the dimensions is 311 by 500 pixels. You can resize it if you want as well by clicking on this edit image. And you can see in here this attachment details. Now you can scale it up. And you can put in here the dimension. I recommend you to just use this 300 by 300 right here. Or you can also resize it to smaller number like this one. From there, click on the scale option. And then as you can see, these images will be scaled down to that precise image. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.